The drainage system in España, Manila is set to be repaired in September. This following complaints of residents about the distress caused by high floodwaters in the area during the rainy season. Let's hear the full report from IBC News correspondent Victor Liantino.
Major traffic delays are looming over España Boulevard in Manila starting this September. This as the Department of Public Works and Highways is set to construct 4 new drainage crossings simultaneously across Extremadura Street, M. de la Fuente Street, and 2 sites along A.H. Lacson Avenue. It is a long overdue sacrifice aimed at replacing infrastructure that DPWH admits has remained largely untouched since the post-World War II era.
Ang sabi sa akin, ang drainage dito, 1950s pa. Yung drainage dito, hindi pa na-upgrade. Meron nga nagagawang mga magigit na proyekto, pero yung pag-upgrade talaga, hindi pa nagagawa. Since post-World War II.
The target, channel floodwaters faster into nearby esteros and pumping station. However, because the projects will be executed all at once, authorities are warning the public to expect severe gridlocks over the coming months.
Kaya lamang ipinagpapauna ko na sa mga dumadako sa Maynila sa mga darating na linggo, medyo magkakaroon ng abala sa kalsada ng Espanya.
Lahat ng yon sabay-sabay natin gagawin. Hihingi tayo po ng paumanhin muna sa ating mga kababayan.
Despite the impending traffic headache, vendors and residents say the temporary inconvenience is a price worth paying. For years, waist-deep floodwaters have crippled businesses and ruined merchandise along the thoroughfare.
Ay di maganda, salamat, hindi na kami babahin dito.
Ang paninda ko kasi, kagaya niyan, dyaryo. Minsan, nababasa, kailangan namin takpan. Sana nga matuloy yung nila na paganahin.
Maraming salamat po sa pagtugon sa amin ngayon sa pagbaha. Malaking ginhawa po sa aming mga residente, sa mga mag-aaral, magtatrabaho, sa mga papasok na mababawasan po ang pagbaha dito sa aming area.
While DPWH has not released a specific completion date, Secretary Dizon assured the project will take less than a year once operations begin in September. This follows the directive of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. to fast-track critical flood mitigation works nationwide. Victor Liantino, IBC News.